Hello, retailers. I'm Alex Morgan from TechSphere Electronics. Today, we'll delve into the digital content distribution strategy for our UltraView X10 smart television. Your digital storefront is crucial. We recommend using our high-resolution product images and engaging video content on your e-commerce platforms. Share our digital banners and promotional videos on your website and social media to attract and engage potential customers. Maximize online engagement through social media platforms. Share our YouTube demos, engage with influencer content, and use our hashtag campaigns to boost visibility. Encourage customer reviews and ratings on your product pages to build trust and credibility. Synchronize your promotional activities with our digital content calendar. Utilize analytics to tailor your approach and keep track of customer interactions. Regular updates and consistent messaging are key to maintaining customer interest and driving sales in the digital space. Here's to a successful launch and great sales with the UltraView X10. This is Alex Morgan, wishing you all the best from TechSphere Electronics.